just honest travel. Welcome to the Honest Travel Guide.
Welcome at the Honest Travel Guide. Today we are in RIU Dubai and we are going to review this. Welcome at our standard room here at the 5th floor in RIU Dubai. Here we have two sinks, also with basic hand soap, and of course a mirror, a large mirror, and also a large shower, also with default amenities like body wash, conditioner, and enough storage for your own shampoo. Can also be handy. What we do notice is that the water pressure is not that high, so if you want to take a big shower, it's maybe not enough. This is our second time in this hotel. We've been here 4 years ago, and also 4 years ago it was exactly the same issue. So it's definitely something for this hotel. A nice thing about the door for the bathroom is also the one for the toilet. So you have one door for both rooms. A large closet, also with built-in lights, of course an iron, and yes, it is a very large room. Of course, there's also a safe. What was handy, we had a power outage and they noticed us beforehand, so it's good to know. Yeah, then the bed, I must say, yeah, we really enjoyed this bed. It is really comfortable. Of course, it's your own preference, but we both slept like babies. Speaking about babies, yes, those stars are not from the hotel, but yes, my wife is pregnant, and well, here in Dubai we had the review, so yeah, this will come out of the box. Here we have also a couch, also comfortable, and of course, if you know RIU, they also have their own magazine. Of course, there's a minibar. They will fill it twice a week. It's also here mentioned. So they do have two bottles of water, 2 Coke, 2 Fanta, 2 Sprite. Of course, there's also things to boil your own water and take some coffee. There's also a TV, we didn't use it. There's a large air conditioning. It's well, strong enough. Most of the time it's off. And we have the room with sea view. Well, we do have sea view, but we also have a view on the restaurant, of course, above. And here's Monique chilling. Yeah, it's nice. So this is our room. Yes, our summary. Did we like it?
Yeah.
Should we book it again?
For the third time.
For the third time, yes. Yeah, we were here the first time in Corona time.
Yeah, 2021.
Yeah, and it's quite busy now. I think every room was booked, probably.
Yeah, I think it is full.
Yeah.
Um,
What did we like?
the weather,
Yeah, the weather.
the sea,
Yeah.
the pool.
Yeah.
Um,
Also the pool bar. It's quite
Pool
quick.
bar.
Sometimes it's busy, but you're being served quite quickly.
the mocktails for me.
Yeah, for you the mocktails. For me the cocktails. Yes, everything of course is all inclusive. It's RIU.
Yeah, oh, I liked my bed. It's almost better than at home.
Yes, I already was mentioning that in
Yeah.
the room tour. Yeah, if you are familiar with RIU, everything is included, and for me it feels like the same. But I think
Yeah.
the level of service is here higher than some other review of RIU hotels you've been to.
Yeah, they're sometimes a little bit quicker and
Yeah, they're very good. Things we don't like.
I don't know.
It's hard. No, you don't know? Oh, okay. What I personally don't like, Dubai is in a build-up, but this island, we've been here, like I said, also in 2021, and we expected when we came back that everything was
fully
was
built.
full here on this island, but that's apparently not the case.
It's still
Yeah,
empty. They are building.
Yeah.
Some constructions are still in build. Some are stopped.
Yeah, abandoned even.
Yeah.
So and also we rented a car for the whole period, and it can be quite hard to access the island. There is a lot of traffic jams around this island.
Yep.
Not the island itself. It's when you're on the bridge, you can
You're
drive
almost
whatever
by
you want.
yourself.
Yeah.
And it may be good to know that there is now a construction site next to the hotel because a new RIU hotel will opening when construction is done. So I don't know when it will be, but there is a second RIU hotel opening here.
So yeah, to summarize, I would book it the third time probably.
Yeah, for
It's
sure.
good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, the price value, if you compare it to other hotels in Dubai or in the other Emirates, it's a great value of money.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
So hopefully this review was helpful for you.
Go and experience by yourself the
Yeah,
RIU.
so please like and also
Subscribe.
subscribe. All right, thank you. Hopefully see you next time. Bye.